welcome to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to edit using Adobe Premiere Pro. I know that Premiere Pro might be confusing for us beginners, including me myself. So I made this video to show you the basics editing of Adobe Premiere Pro. So if you're curious, check it out. Okay, so firstly, open up your Adobe Premiere Pro, and here I'm using the version 2020. So name your project. I'm just going to name it Project 1. And just choose the location where you want to store your project. And don't touch any of these because yeah, we are still beginners. So yeah, click OK. So I prefer to use editing. So there are 4 sections that you need to pay attention here. The first one is source, program, project, and timeline. Now first, you need to import your media. So click twice and import where you place your medias. The media includes your video and your audio. So once everything is inside here, you can start editing. First, you can drag and drop your video to here, which is the source. Now you can play your video. And what I like from Adobe Premiere Pro is you can mark in and you can mark out. What does this do is actually you can mark in where you want to start and mark out where you want to end. So you don't need to just drag the video directly and then trim them again. So what you need to do is mark in. So for example, I want it to start from here. So just mark in. I want it to stop till here, so I mark out. Afterwards, I just drag and drop to the timeline. As you can see, it is here already. So this program is basically to show you the final video that you have put in the timeline. So you can play. So that is the video that you have on your timeline. Next thing is I'm going to insert another video. Same thing. Okay, so I'm going to start at here, so I mark in. I stop at here, so I mark out. And then same thing, you just drag and drop to here. Okay, so I can mark in. Maybe just here, mark out, and then drag and drop here. So now you have your video here. You can try to play them and see how it looks like. Now the problem here is you need to insert your audio. So this is your audio. So just drag and drop and put it here. So you can play. Okay, probably you want to mute the audio in here. So what you can do is you have a mute track, so it will mute everything in this track for the audio. And then let's play. So as you can listen, that it will be only the music on the background. So that's good to go. But now we need to have a transition. So to place a transition, you can just go to here and then effects. Now we have a lot of effects here. We have audio effects, transitions, video effects, and video transitions. Now I'm going to use video transitions. You have a lot of here, but maybe I'm just going to use the dissolve. So maybe at here, I'm going to have a film dissolve and then put it here. So let's see. Okay, nice. And then maybe I can have additive dissolve. And what you can do here is you can adjust the transition duration. So before I add transition to the end, I'm going to add some text. So how to add text basically is you can see the type tool here. You can click on it and then you can put it here. So what you want to write here. For example, you want to write my birthday. Okay, click on this selection tool. You can enlarge the text. And then if you want to edit the font and everything, you can go to graphics. Click edit. So now you can see that the text is in Tahoma. Maybe you want to change to another font. Maybe I just choose Century Gothic. And then here you can have the alignment. And here is the fill. So what color do you want it to be? For example, you want this color, you can click OK. If you want a stroke, you can have a stroke. So I'm just going to use this. You can have a background, you can have a shadow. Okay, but I don't want to use any of that. So yeah, you can see. Close the graphic. Open the editing. Use razor tool to cut. Same thing, delete over this. Okay, so for the audio, maybe we want to extend to here. So afterwards, you can see. Okay, maybe it's too short. Okay, so there you go. And then next, we're going to fade out the audio. We can use audio transitions, crossfade, constant power, put at the back. Okay, you can choose the duration. Let's see. Okay, or maybe if you say that's too short, you can lengthen it. Okay, so that's how you make your first video. Okay, one thing I forgot to mention is you can go to sequence and go to sequence settings. Here you can choose the frame size of the video that you want to, and you can also choose the display format, the frame per second. So basically, I'm just going to use 24 frame per second and then enter. Okay, now if you're ready, export it, go to media, and then you can see all your summary here. You can add some comments if you want. Okay, and this is everything. So now they will let you know the estimated file size, which is 19 megabytes. If you're unsure of your video, you can replay it again here, and then finally you can export. Just click on export and just wait. After that, you're done. After that, just go to the file location where you export your project, and at there you will see the output of your video. So that's all for my video today. I hope this video helps you in beginning to edit in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you have any questions, be sure to drop your questions in the comment box and I will try my best to answer all of your questions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe. Stay tuned to my next video. I'll see you guys there. Bye!